MC around B. We position here live and direct, and as I told you earlier, we get the loose guard housemates of the Big Brother Naija season 9 in the building. The very first set to take the evicted just after 1 week. It's shocking, right? Yeah, we go the look and we go the talk. We get first. Okay, the two of them are do because this season they quite different from the every other season we don't watch before because they came in pairs, boyfriend and girlfriend, husband and wife, two bestie people when know each other outside. They all come enter the house. You get me? So we get the duo, yeah, Tammy. But that Tammy, one at Toyosi, the other one at Damilola. Dami actually 28 years old. Which I did try think whether or not the official age have been at age or no. Now from Osun State and a good friend of Toyosi. Then Toyosi on the other hand, they a bit younger. Which I see they suspect 26 years old, and I'm still from Osun State. Now also good friend with Dami. So Dami and Toyosi all together, known as Tammy. Welcome to Naija FM.
How you doing?
I position. So okay, make we start. The big one and the small ones. Toyosi, small.
I'm Dami.
Just sorry, Dami, small one. Toyosi, the big one.
Yeah.
Anyway, first of all, I'm blessed among women. Yes, any idea we did, we mount.
You mount.
So welcome. First of all, how the feeling been before now being picked or selected to be part of this season 9? How it felt be when I received that message from now?
The way we take shout, that's so much excitement. We got sleep. Like
we sleep, we wake up,
come process sounds.
The mail again.
Is this real?
This one real like this.
So at the time when I decide to submit to a video, will I ever get the feeling so now they picked first of all?
At all, no. We just wanted to
thought maybe we'll try them.
Yes. Una don't ever try them before individually?
Me, I don't try them before.
Okay.
Like 2 or 3 years ago. I don't try them before. So as they no pick me now, I just talk say okay, no wala. So but this year, she never do before. So this year she can't talk say this one way then they do dynamic duo.
Maybe try am. We no lose guard. We no say the team self go be no lose guard.
Okay, now I just submit. So how long will I be friends before this will be brother arrangement?
7 years.
7 years, but best friend. We don't be best friend for 4 years.
For 4 years.
Yeah.
Okay, we know each other for 7 years,
yes.
but now 4 years ago, now really they run things together. Okay, so first of all, I don't know. I really like because this is not the first time we see just after a week.
Yeah.
Has been there evicted, and it can't be said now.
Yeah.
You like the idea? How now feel being the first husband to be evicted?
NC,
jello.
We don't feel like the idea.
How you go
ask say we like the idea?
You can't be like so like go there, go wash, please come back.
It be like so, but as it take being MC. I no go talk say we go wash plates come back. We do small thing where we fit do for that 1 week.
That mean for you, not be small thing you do. If Toyosi they talk that one, I go understand because we they go there very soon. but 1 week there no. Before now enter, I know say first set of housemates go come out after 1 week. Una already aware?
No.
They be not told now.
No.
It was a shock.
Now.
Yeah.
Also, I noticed something at the end during when una the young with Ebuka.
Yeah.
They not show now who vote una at. Una they comfortable with that?
As we come out, we see him.
We see him. We see. Okay.
Okay.
We don't see who vote us.
Who be the people who vote una?
Almost everybody
except 2 people.
This and them double K.
So why you feel say every other person decide vote una at?
Not conspiracy to me. All of them, they just conspire together.
No, Toyosi. Now Toyosi the answer. Yes,
They conspire together. They just like, and then I feel like they were threatened by like what they saw coming. So
by you or by Dami?
It was like the thing now is it was a joint thing. For Dami, it was she was already out there, but for me it was like I was already coming out and they were saying it. So it was just like, let's just get rid of them.
Okay,
like
so Toyosi,
Toyosi,
I just want this straight question.
Yeah.
Some people they have the opinion say, oh, una deserve to come outside because you on the other hand were the calm vibe. inside the house, and you just accept that now. Say you be done, they come outside before this eviction happen. Why you be just enter the house, can't they come? Knowing fully well, say the brother and Agbasbos.
I entered the house not feeling good at all. I was my health. Okay. So I had to take time to like heal before going into it, so I don't fall sick. Okay. I think that was what happened. For the first 2 days, I was really not good. I was not feeling very good. Yeah.
Okay. But I believe say una two be enter with strategy, right? So the strategy una at any point reflect, and I want just finish with Toyosi before I move to Dami, because me and Dami get a lot of issues to settle. Yes. So una achieve within that 1 week. Una feel really experiment on the strategy.
We not really experimenting now because the story just build up before they just.
Okay, just last one to you. So you feel say now because of the way Dami behave inside the house, now it result to the reason why majority of una housemate vote to come out.
I won't say. I'm trying to be careful here because I've seen a lot of comments. Online, and they are making it, painting it like, oh, I'm blaming her. I am not blaming Dami for anything. She did a bit. Okay. I support whatever she did, but just because she had issues with them, other people also had issues with each other, but they didn't pick on that.
If you were to go back, you go advise them and make it behave differently.
No, me will go cause Gbasgbos.
Yes. So you for Jonah cause Gbasgbos.
I was ready. See, now where Dami grace stop. Now my own start.
You not quick start.
I know quick start. Now the thing be that.
They
not give us time.
Okay, but for you, Dami, so that's to say for waiting till you see the confirm, it be like say na Gbasgbos, so create Gbasgbos na ibu na strategy.
But
now you quick kickstart and because she be not dey strong at the time when she entered the house.
Yes.
Now why you quarrel with almost everybody?
See, make I tell you something. Now two-way thing, MC. You see that kind thing. If it happen, if he carry us go final.
Yeah.
This kind thing, if it happen, as we don't evict now. So you understand? If he be say he go carry us go final, if he be say we go come out, so but now we don't come out. Sure, you understand? Okay. But for this 1 week, as much as people talk say Gbasgbos now, it's I take starts with. The old strategy not to really make people know the kind genuinity we get for each other. Yeah. And for this 1 week where we stay for us, I won't believe say people understand say
these people they very love each other
and say we love each other.
Like real love. You sure say they see that one?
Oh, I think they saw it. I want to comments.
A lot of people saw it. Right? Yes. And that Gbasgbos, now this week where they come,
we just want to start time.
Oh, so now don't plan to
because one fight don't they brew since last week.
Which one will have one fight this week? That person lucky.
Let's see. Everything just they
go.
Because you know be dog now. You know if you just they fight.
So the person need to bring her call. You help her finish her.
Just hit her.
You go light trouble and you small. So that's to say, you not really expect this eviction. Una be don't really. So if at all, the moment I know say a set go there evicted, who now be the suspect? It will be the group when the door when go there.
Automatically we knew.
Say now.
Yes.
Because everybody there against you. So going back, if take for instance say you get a chance to go back, you change anything? Of what you do inside the house?
Yes, maybe just a bit.
Like what you would change?
As much as Gbasgbos, the whole thing, I'll just be better. Okay. You understand? But that better no mean say I know Chris for it.
Okay.
I go show you where
you're normal. But you go take
know as I go take do am. You understand? So if we get any opportunity to go back, which I dey hope. We go back.
So you get one particular arrangement where happen for kitchen. What it really happen for that kitchen wahala?
Which
with Dami, I think it's Dami now.
Now me.
What it happen?
That just small matter.
Like waiting.
And I can't still apologize to MC.
I don't see the apology not verse.
She apologized.
I can't apologize.
But what be the thing where really happen?
So it get me and one guy maybe say we dey cook for kitchen. Okay. Sure you understand? His name na TJ. Okay. One of the pair of better.
Yeah.
So it won't help me do swallow where everybody go chop. And everybody can't gather for kitchen, then plenty go. Trust me, TJ be won't bring out this narrative even when we dey inside house. Say no be say that me just act on her own. Now because
they
say
trigger you.
Then trigger, because when in be they try turn the swallow, people plenty, it can't dey overwhelmed. You understand? It go dey confused. Person maybe say you know really like that crowd for inside kitchen. Sure, you understand? I can't. Maybe not. I know go talk.
You can't help and fight his fight. He asked you, maybe you help and fight his fight.
You know, ask me.
Dami is a soldier.
I like.
You just see that opportunity. It's not a portable sister. Okay. So also I don't know. I believe before I enter the house, you don't already know the situation of the country, and now when I also come outside, you also don't see the situation, because during when the show started and the same time the whole protest start, you feel say audience participation actually affect the show now. Why una not get votes to save una for the house?
I go on believe say a lot of people they very focused on what the economy or the governance is right now. So, but some people they really watch.
We they follow, but
you understand. But it gets some kind way they happen. Not be saying now everybody.
Because of what they go on for the country.
They go on for the country. So it they very understandable. But at the same time, we just want beg people make them know say we they very different and we get things to come. Right?
So now one I don't fall outside of the house. So if I want really ask, who be your favorite dog for inside the house? This one they laugh. They not get. Now quarrel with everybody.
You know they're that bad now.
So Toyosi, may I hear from you first?
We have two.
Two?
Yeah, we have two pairs that we are like really cool with, and that's the Aces and Double
the Aces.
K. Yeah.
And Double K. Hey, talking about Double K, how una feel now say as una come out and I don't realize say these two people are husband and wife, but they come they do bestie?
I am relieved though.
You are wait, damn me before I bring relieve us out to your see. I want to.
You see, I can't they toast Double K for Cassia. They toast Cassia for Double K. They toast each other, say, you people try it out, work on it, be this, be that. I see emotions. I don't know. Say it don't. Now just picking remain. I don't know.
At this point, I don't know. It be like
Wait. So you go there lay foundation where they don't already finish.
I can't they pour cement for inside house where they don't build.
And they can't follow you.
They can't they blush, they smile, they deny. He pay me, but then.
So how you feel that too when you come out and realizing our husband and wife they be?
You know say me and Cassia we just start today connect.
Yeah.
Just start today bond.
Yeah.
So I don't they tell her say the way you take this smile if I call this guy name it dey different.
Okay.
And the way this guy serve they treat you, they pamper you. Okay, we understand say Kelly na caring man. But the way he take they treat you it dey very different.
You bring your semo.
You go help you pack your stuff. You know
where your makeup dey.
Yeah, you know where your makeup dey.
Another person husband oh.
Because they look say it be like say una get connection. But una they run away from
so now one can help the bridge connection. Nepa, well done.
As we be internet connection.
So right now coming outside and realizing say these two guys are actually husband and wife. If you see that game when they play, it is best for them.
It's a very good strategy.
Good one.
Yes.
So you feel say how is they introduce themselves as husband and wife? People for not to
People no go.
People won't be close to them.
Because now marriage.
Yes.
No be just say then
so now that they are out as like single people, they have more content.
Yes.
Unlike if you see the way TJ is a married man, people just go to him for advice. They won't use advice, TJ.
We disagree advice on the normal. We dey try for when it comes to advice. So anyway, whether you like or not, 2 days inside Big Brother house, now elevation, now different level, and I think that the reason why most people feel do anything just to make her enter the house. You get. So the fact say when I spend 1 week, I know say na in different level when I don't day right now. I really like know what next for Toyosi and Dami. When I continue this friendship, or now decide go individual ways, or what next?
Number one, there's no individual ways. I don't mark tattoo for body. I won't start today clean.
Wait, una write on name for body?
No, just a matching tattoo.
Okay, what if that? What una write?
Oh, always and forever.
Now together forever.
Hold on.
Don't go anywhere.
You know we're in a modern world now.
Yes.
Things have to be well explained.
Yes.
Always and forever. Does it mean there is more than just being friends?
No, definitely not.
It's
not just
friendship.
friends.
But it's just a friendship that
friendship
we want
get
to last a lifetime.
But before night and I get boyfriend.
No.
Why not two friends? Anyways, same of the birds of the same feather fly together. After all, you get why? Was there a reason for that?
Me, I just come out for a relationship before I enter house.
Oh, they break your heart. Yeah.
That story, don't be today matter we go talk about.
Oh, yeah. Abi, you try collect somebody boyfriend, the person come push you.
Say I know they collect person man.
Okay.
I know they.
So you they look out for a new relationship now that you're at with this new level.
Let's see how it goes.
The last person when you see how it goes, he don't reach 35. No offense, but you did open for love though.
Yes, definitely.
Right now, what about you Toyosi before you enter?
I was already 6 months into the heartbreak. When
I collect heartbreak at the same almost at the same time.
No, this one has 6 months before house.
Oh,
it was like beginning of the year.
Yeah.
So how come now the two of you as friends now might they break up with you? Now break up with him. Be the story not clear.
The story not clear.
Not clear, right?
Like I say blur.
Not clear.
Okay.
I gotta use glasses if I want to.
But if those people decide come back right now with this on a new level, will there be a chance of acceptance?
Personally, no.
Now show state the guy come from too. No, I just question, innocent question.
No, be Osun State.
From which place?
FC.
What be your type of man really?
I like make it black, make it tall, make it fine.
Fine man.
Fine man. Maybe say if I see like this, I go off in trouser.
So inside the house, who you feel say match that arrangement?
He knows what he's doing.
Now person husband. Talker come outside that room.
I don't go talker.
Use your full chest. Okay, you get full chest. Use your full chest.
I get full chest.
Yes.
But I don't want chest this one. No worries.
So more just assume say now based on some certain criteria where the person find himself, now make it. But if the person not did that criteria, you for
MC. You no worries.
Okay.
You go see.
Okay, Toyosi, for you, what be your type of man? Yeah, the man.
For me, in as much as I have like something I'm attracted to, I'm indifferent to looks.
Okay.
And,
you not mind if you not fine.
Na dear me I go.
Person not what you fine now. If you not fine, what now?
So,
okay.
Be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, and then every other thing. If you did light skin, even a light skin man go marry.
You go okay. You don't mind the complexion.
Not my complexion.
But you don't reason any part where this man supposed to come from?
No, at all.
You don't dated those men before?
Yeah.
You ain't shot. If like now break your last.
No.
No. We are loving. We from Edo. We are very loving.
Men are loving.
Yeah. So you don't mind the man?
I don't mind it. I don't mind Igbo. I don't mind anyone.
What about you, Dami?
I never be with Igbo man before.
Oh, what about Edo guy?
Yes, I don't be with Edo man.
How was the experience?
Not bad.
They get doing so. They shake. They try. Okay, so wait till now enter right now. We will see Toyosi and Dami for our screen or for movies, for music, for where we now enter right now.
For me, na club. Thing.
Okay.
Me I did do.
Okay.
And
Club here.
Club here.
Oh.
And I be chef.
Oh.
And I be professional presenter.
Oh.
Now so we meet for 2017 that year.
Okay.
So now media.
Oh, Jen, not together. Oh, I see the connection. So now the plan to also going that same, continue from that same arrangement?
Yes. Hopefully.
But before that, are they based in Lagos or Osun State?
Based in Lagos.
Based in Lagos.
If like say you like Osun very well.
He likes Osun.
No,
you don't be with Osun babe before.
No,
tell me.
Confess. We are good girls. Talk. Don't be shy.
You the stammer.
Only say any small thing, he be like say he don't get belly, so I run live. Wanted to put me in the family way.
Can't you be in the family way?
No.
You are a strong man.
When I just did one room self-contained, right?
No.
If not now, maybe I for share some.
Love conquers all.
Not be inside poverty.
Love is sweeter.
So we expect for our TVs and hopefully for that thing.
Yes.
Now they look into acting really.
I am.
Toyosi.
Yes.
Oh, so hopefully we'll see very soon, right?
Yes.
Okay. So sharply before because I know soon I need to move to the sister station right now.
Yes.
I like making just use this opportunity at least to thank those when we stand behind now for now 1 week stay inside the house and also share on our social media handles so that people feel easily follow now and keep up with updates. Because I know now be the first set now certainly want continue with the arrangement. So please.
So we want to thank everybody, our fans, our loved ones. We thank you so much for rooting for us. We do not take this love for granted. We love you guys right back.
Okay, your social media handle.
Oh, my social media handle is toyosi.zapora. That is XAPOR. Toyosi.zapora.
That's Zapora and
my business
name.
Yeah.
Oh, Zapora.
Yeah.
What did I want into
beauty?
Oh,
so
makeup and
semi-permanent makeup, nail artistry.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and on to great artists too.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you?
As I do like this, I mount for now.
Steady.
I just want to tell you now, say thank you. This love where you show us. Not the smart thing,
It's sweet.
For this 1 week where we say we just dey inside house, we just want to appreciate everybody. Say make una thank you. Say una stand gidigba for our back. Yeah. Even till now, people say they stand gidigba for our back. So we want to tell una say thank you. We appreciate una.
We love you.
My own social media handle at that is THE Damigold together.
Okay, Damigold.
Damigold.
Okay. Yeah. So just the last question. Who now believes say I know it's still new, still fresh. Who now believes say be the pairs when go make her reach the final stage?
We get like 3 pairs for mind.
Oh yeah, now sharply.
We get
this one I like una they collabo these pairs have been
we they collabo the pairs.
Oh yeah, now.
Where we think say
the 12 now,
but people where we wish they different.
Okay.
So
who you wish? Which pairs you wish?
Double K and Aces.
Okay. Who you feel say you can win now?
We have 3 strong pairs. The Mbadwe twins, strategic boys. We have
Wani and
Handy.
Oh, the DJs, Abi?
Yes.
Okay.
And then there's Zinwe.
So those are the 3 people you feel say they go make her.
Yeah.
But the people want to wish to win a double K
and Aces.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much, Toyosi and Dami. So when stop by, and they wish you more progress on top this new level. They hopefully will they connect more. Normally, no problem. Thank you. What's even our favorite song? More is step out right now.
That guy, that's different, but we both love me JJ, so let's do love me JJ.
See, love our guest, and I don't get boyfriend.